Alright, today we're going to do a video of a Chevalier Smart H818 Roman numeral 2. This one has a hydraulic table. We're going to start the spindle. Now we're going to start your hydraulics. You can use the machine as a manual table, or you can have it reciprocate back and forth. And then you can start your hydraulics. You have the ability to be variable speeds both ways. You can control, again, how slow or fast each way, and then vice versa. You have ball screws on your Y and Z axis. There's your Y. You also have pulse generators as well. It's just some sheet metal noise. The axis is nice and quiet though. Then you can show you your pulse generators. You can manually move it. Again, this is a very slow increment, just for setup. Again, both pulse generators work. The machine is equipped with a coolant system, has a separate hydraulic unit. It's presently wired 220 volts. It can be seen under power. Thank you for watching.